Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an order to your basket in the Bolt Food application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look up there in your screen and you will find there a search bar. You can just press on it and write something in there, for example a pizza. And after waiting a little bit, you can see all the offers and stores in the city that you are in. You can just press on one of them. And after scrolling down a little bit, you will be able to see the offers here in this store. You can see the pizzas here. You can just press on one of them. You can see the price there and everything. And if you would like to buy it, you can just press on the add option at the bottom of your right corner. And this way you can just put the order into your basket, and you can just press on your basket. And you can see the order in your basket in this case. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.